With cryptocurrency prices bouncing back today, Bitcoin up above 63,000, Shiba Inu coin testing that 1,500 point per coin level, I'm going to talk about the 3 undervalued Solana meme coins that can rally 500% from here. Oh, and bonus, I'm going to add 3 ICOs to it that can do that or even more as well. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and as you can see, we got the top undervalued Solana meme coins that can rally 500% on the screen, and we're going to be going over them, and I'm also going to be touching on the top 3 ICOs, so make sure you stay tuned for that as well, because all of these tokens have the ability to go up 500% or more, not at the peak of a bull market, but just in the upcoming weeks and months here. So let's talk about these Solana tokens first. Miro is still promising among Solana meme coins. Now it says this sent the price of Miro tumbling below $70 million as the market struggled to keep up, according to data from CoinGecko. However, Miro continues to do $10 million a day in volume. It says when the bull market for Solana meme coins does resume, expectations for the likes of Miro, which is a dog-themed meme coin, are high. From here, the meme coin has a rally of 900% when it reaches its all-time high of 44 cents once again, making it a promising token. Holy smokes, guys. Nearly a 10x increase just to get back up to its all-time high. We're not even talking about breaking new all-time highs. So Miro, absolutely one to look at on the Solana network. Now, Wen made a lot of fuss just a couple of months ago, and they are still doing so as they're gearing up to potentially rally over 500%. It says following the crash, the price of Wen is down 86.6%, putting it in a prime spot for investments interested investor. Just like Miro, a rally back to its all-time high would put investors at 900% in profit. In the case of Solana's price reaching new all-time highs, the price of Wen could touch $1 billion before the fun is over. And Pang, a different kind of animal. Pang meme coin is among the Solana meme coins that enjoyed success earlier this year. It emerged as a refreshing deviation from the dog and cat themed meme coins that dominated the Solana blockchain at the time, using a penguin as its mascot. It says reaching as high as $2.14 for an over $210 million market cap before its decline. It could reach 1,000% just to get back to its all-time highs. Guys, we're not talking about a major bull market that sees new all-time highs being hit. We're talking about meme coins that have been hit very hard over the last couple of months, really like 3 months. Now, if you're looking at top ICOs, Pepe Unchained right now continues to do about $250,000 a day in volume. $14,497,000 raised so far, and it did that in just about 2 months. Now, Pepe Unchained is, of course, building a layer 2 blockchain, which means that it's going to be bigger, faster, stronger, more efficient than any of the layer 1 tokens out there. But Pepe Unchained, aside from its massive demand currently, could see even more demand in the upcoming days as it's launched because of its focus on meme coins. Now, it is the future of memes, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course memes. Now, the links for this are down in the comments, in the pin section there, and down in the description below. So if you are interested in buying Pepe Unchained, it is very easy. Simply click Connect Wallet. Connect your wallet here. I like to scan this QR code with my Trust wallet and then, of course, determine the amount that you want to buy. If you are looking to stack up meme coins during this period of accumulation, Memebet could be the absolute best way for you to do so. One of the things that it offers, meme coin games. It says deposit and play with your favorite meme coins in the Memebet casino. Whether you're holding a Pepe or a Doge, you're a Doge OG, you'll be able to deposit and play with your meme bags. And guys, they've got a global sports book. It says not only are they fully stocked with the loosest slots and popular betting games, they also have a global sports book that includes EPL and NBA. This could be an excellent way, especially if you guys are knowledgeable in the sports area. And finally, Crypto Allstars. Crypto Allstars has done about $1.5 million in inflows. And I'm going to show you the fact that you can stake all of the top meme coins out there, but you can also buy with the top meme coins. So if you've got, let's say, an extra 10 million Shiba Inu coin in your wallet, you're going to be able to walk away with 98,287 Crypto Allstars tokens, which you can currently stake for above 1,000%. So if you are looking to 10x your investment in either ICOs or some of the top Solana meme coins out there, these 6 options could absolutely be for you. Now, there are links to all of these tokens down in the comments and down in the description below, so make sure to check that out. I'm excited about the upcoming bull market. I know that sentiment is turning green once again, and this is going to mean gains for a lot of people as long as you are willing to accumulate. I'm continuing to accumulate. I'm buying Pepe Unchained, Memebet, and Crypto Allstars. I want to know what you guys are buying down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.